Off the top tonight at 11, once the veteran was outside, that's when the scammer's partner ransacked the house.
And it isn't the first time the 79-year-old has been targeted. Jamont Terry is live in Wyandotte. So, Jamont, what did the scammers get away with?
Well, Kimberly, the local Air Force veteran is still taking inventory of everything, if anything, that was stolen from the house. But one thing that can't be replaced, his sense of security in his home of more than 30 years.
Everyone enjoys putting their feet up, relaxing at home.
To eat and raise some rich.
This 79-year-old likes staying updated on current events. That's why Earl Kontowski couldn't believe when his doorbell rang, he took the bait.
I knew what to do, but I just didn't think of it.
On the porch, a fast-talking guy wearing a construction vest and hat.
And he was saying, we're going to do some excavating in the back of your house.
So Earl allows the man to cut through the house to get to the yard, and he's confident he locked the door.
You guys are going which way?
We went that way out the side door.
Earl escorts the man to the backyard to take a look at the alley.
He was saying, well, my boss is going to come around and we're going to talk a little more thoroughly on this. So we're waiting for his boss. His boss was probably inside.
Wyandotte police say a second guy came through the unlocked door and ransacked Earl's house looking for anything valuable. After standing outside for 15 minutes, Earl tells the guy he's going back inside. That's when the guy used a two-way radio.
And he started talking something, and he said, okay, let's go.
By the time Earl gets inside, he discovers broken doors and items thrown around.
I didn't see what kind of vehicle he was in.
Police and Earl believe this was the second scam to this veteran in a week. Earl paid someone $1,600 to redo this porch, but the guy just smeared cement. Investigators think the man who did the porch likely returned with a friend.
Oh, and I feel that really is a kick in you-know-where.
No, Wyandotte police tonight advising everyone, but especially seniors, to never open your door or allow anyone inside your home claiming to be a utility worker, city worker, or in this case, a construction crew without showing any proper ID. Remember, you can also call a number to verify that as well, something Earl said he knew, but he wished he should have just went with his gut, but he forgot about it. Reporting live in Wyandotte tonight, Jamont Terry, Local 4.